Presenting Usha Racer 1200mm Ultra High Speed 400 RPM ceiling fan in brown and rich ivory colors. It consists of unique blade design for high air delivery and thrust. It consumes a power of 78 watts. It comes with a size of 60 by 36.2 by 11.7 centimeters and weighs up to 4.7 kilograms. The box includes fan motor, top canopy, bottom canopy, shackle assembly, down rod, each one net, blade set separately one set. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.